don't block me because I'm gonna record you, okay? Don't block me. Do you know what I mean? So I just got this. This is a headliner, a Rayban Meta sunglasses. It's supposed to be sunglasses, but there are a few types. I got this one, so it looks very cute. And these are two cameras here, if you can see. When I bought it, it wasn't released in Malaysia yet. I asked my friends in the US who happened to buy this, and apparently this is, you see that little button here? This is how you, if you press one time, taking photos. If you want a long press, it's recording videos. Super easy, right? And you can actually play music with this. I did a short videos on this, so please watch this. This is a camera, but there's no camera on my hand. There's two of them. This is not magic. This is Rayban Meta smart glasses. I cannot tell this is a camera at all. Bro, they have an app for this pair of glasses and I'm pairing the Bluetooth together. I know last time they came out with the older version, but yo, look at the new one with a brown leather casing, so cool. Never have I thought of saying connecting Bluetooth with my glasses. And the casing is also a charging case. Look at the two holes in the middle of the glasses. So just put it in, charge it like a power bank, and ta-da! And you just need to recharge the casing. Perfect 2020 vision. It's a good angle to film your POV style of videos. Don't even need to attach a camera to your chest. And dude, it's not just a camera, but also a pair of earphones that's using bone conduction without putting it in your ears. Can you hear any music? Can you hear?
Yeah, can you?
Yeah, cannot.
Oh.
You can also control the volume and pause on the glasses frame. Vision. And it's a smart glasses, so AI lives in your glasses.
To continue, make sure MetaView is active.
And you just need to export the files from the app. Okay, but what I don't like about this is for videos you can only record up to 1 minute and you gotta keep pressing record again. And the second thing is for noise cancellation, sounds like. Can you still hear the dog? Okay, but I would say if you don't wear glasses and you suddenly wear glasses to film this, you feel very dizzy. Camera quality wise, it's not as great as iPhone when it's in low light. For only $300 for a pair of fancy glasses with camera and earphones, not bad lah. Okay, after I posted this video, it went viral. I got like 14 million views on Instagram, so I'm not sure if it's because of the Meta, push it because it's like by Meta, but I've got a lot of comments saying that, oh, this is such a good idea for perverts to record things, you know, like they're gonna do bad things to record some sexual stuff. Your worries are valid because I see the risk. Look at the bright side, because this can also be used for bully victims who are able to just record the video whenever the bully is trying to hit them as an evidence. Okay, just shift the position and perspective, okay? It's also part of a self-defense thing, because imagine if someone's gonna like hit you or like gonna touch you or something, or like gonna rob you, I'm saying, don't rob me because I'm gonna record you, okay? Do you know what I mean? So I would say the advantage and the benefits for the victims who are able to use these glasses to record bullying or assault, use it as an evidence, sort of outweigh the risks of predators or like perverts to record some sexual stuff. So I think the risks are well balanced, you know what I mean? So it's a good gadget and it's not too expensive as well. Honest opinion, maybe make some frames that are suitable for Asian features like Gentle Monster, because what is this? It keeps sliding down unless I have to do like a nose job or something. But yeah, overall it's not a bad deal, and I actually can listen music to this, you know? Whew. And I can also protect myself, you know? So yeah, I love this gadget actually. What do you think?